Hey guys, this is IG Cuber, and today I've got an unboxing from Speed Cube Shop. This is the first time I've ordered from these guys, and I've got the Aosu GTS M and the Galaxy V2 M concaved. And a small bottle of Martian. So let's get into this first. Alright, we got black pieces here, so I'll probably change the white out for black, just to try it out. I don't know, I definitely have to set it up. It's pretty sluggish right now. But we'll see how that goes. This is the magnetic version. It's got the gold logo. I don't know if I like this or not yet. My old one is the sculpted. So here's the original. It is smaller. Let's try this out. Oh, Lucas Etter. Extra magnets. I like the GTS 2 so much. Been really excited about getting this one. There's a little setup and breaking in. Yeah, so there it is compared to the other guy here. I guess it's a touch smaller, not much. Anyway, this is IG Cuber. Thanks for watching.